Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair your Edifier TWS 1 earbuds with iPhone device. So in order to do this, first let's unlock our device. Here enter Bluetooth. Let's forget this device and now we can begin pairing. So open the case, take the left earbud, close the case. Here you want to find the LED light and it's right here. So hold the multifunctional button till the light flashes, like this. Now we can connect it. Take the other earbud now. You can put this one back. And just repeat the same process. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.